sales only, like that. Okay, so if you have any that type of requirement, right, then we can use this go to sheet action. Okay, so what is the meaning of go to sheet action? Means when you click on a particular source sheet, right, we will be navigating to a particular target sheet. Like they will be different requirements. So sometimes they want to see the sales value, and when they click on the sales value, they want to navigate to the sales dashboard. And sometimes they want to see like this also, go to content page. So when they click on this go to content page button, they want to navigate to the content page, like that, like this. So anything is like both are same. So let me show you how to achieve these two things, like context filter, like, you know, so so let me know if you're not able to hear me. So let me create how to create these two source sheets, sheet 7 and sheet 8. So very simple. I'll go to here. So for example, you can simply drag sales into the text here. Sales into text here. So this is nothing but a sales text, sheet 67. And if you want to create this go to contents page button, right, very simple. You can simply create a new calculation field. And in this calculation, within double quote or single quote, you can simply write go to content page, like that. Very simple. And this is a calculation 31. So what will happen? I'll just try to explain you. So when you drag this into the text here or into the row shelf, anywhere, it will show or go to content page. Whatever you have written, it will show the same thing here. So it is a row level calculation. So nowhere in the calculation, we are using aggregate functions. We are not using any aggregation functions in this calculation, right? That is nothing but this is a row level calculation. What will happen means it will go to the each and every row in the database table, and it will try to add go to content page in each and every sheet, in each and every row. And we have in each and every row we have go to content page only, right? Because of that reason it is coming under dimension, as it is a text field. So when you drag a dimension into the text or somewhere, right, it will eliminate the duplicate records and it will show only one value only here, that is go to content page only it will show. So if you want to modify it, if you want to like if you want to like format it, right, you can simply go to text here, and you can make it bold, and you can make it underline, you can make it green color, something like you can modify. And like that. Now you go to dashboard 3, like just try to just drag a horizontal container and drag. Okay, so this is dashboard 3, right? So what I will do, I'll create a dashboard 4 here. So once you create dashboard, right, and once you place all the sheets in the dashboard, no need to show all these. So you can simply hide all sheets here. Okay. Now I go to my dashboard 4, show the title first here. Just drag horizontal container, drag 67 and 68 sheets. Okay. So in this way, we can distribute contents evenly. We can make it for better, like entire view like that. So I don't want to tell like all the things. Okay. So now when I click on this when I click on this sales value page sheet, or when I click on this sheet 68, go to content page, right? You can, if you want, you can simply hide the title also here. That is not a problem. Okay, like that you can show. For this also you can do the same thing like that. Okay. Now I go to actions here, go to dashboard actions, add one more action here. That is nothing but go to sheet action. Under source side, we have to select sheet 67 and sheet 68. And under run action, you can select, as discussed earlier, you can select either select action, hover action, and menu action. And on the target side, you can select a dashboard, to which dashboard you want to navigate. So I want to navigate to dashboard 3 here. Just select the target. Under target sheets, you can select the dashboard 3 here. Simply click on OK. Click on OK. Now you see, just remove this one here. Now you see when you click on this go to content page, we will be navigating to a dashboard 3 here. So from dashboard 3 to 2, if you want to navigate again to the dashboard 4, right, you can simply apply that action also in this dashboard. Okay. Now when you click on this sales button also, it will be navigating to the same dashboard 3 only here. Okay. Like that. So this is nothing but go to sheet action. Now we will see go to URL action. So here also same thing actually. So let me show you what is happening. When I click on the go to URL action, right? When I click on this sheet, it is navigating to a particular URL that is called tableau.com. Okay. And that is one thing. And this is one type of sheet I have created. And in the sheet 187, so here also I have implemented go to URL action only. Now in this sheet, what will happen is when you click on the Alabama, right? So here I have implemented menu action. So when you click on the Alabama, a window will be opened like this. And here when you click on the go to URL Alabama, it will be navigating to that particular web page. Okay. And you see when I click on the Arizona, so here we have to what we have to observe here is when you click on the Arizona, a menu is opening here. Under menu, what you are seeing, go to URL Arizona, you can see here. When you click on this one, here you can see uh, go to URL, go to URL Arskanas. This particular state is showing here. So how we have to achieve this dynamically, how to change the state value in this pop-up, right? We will see how to achieve that. But when you click on this, right, it will be navigating to that particular state here. So in the real time, they will be giving you to which link you have to navigate, to which website you have to navigate. They will be giving you that type of link here. For now, we'll see how to achieve these two type of things like sheet 188 and sheet 187. We'll see how to achieve these two. So sheet 180, when you click on this particular, for example, I just okay, just go to I'm just clicking new dashboard here. Okay, just the title here. So I'm just simply dragging sheet 68 here. So I'm just go to content page here, right? So just for the same sheet, what I can do is I can go to dashboard actions here. So here already I am seeing some actions here. Why? Because these are the actions which I have applied on the other dashboards. So when you click on this workbook option, it will show all the actions which you have applied in all the dashboards or in the entire workbook. So when I click on this sheet only, right? This sheet means it will show all the actions which you have applied in this particular dashboard only. Okay, like that. So in this dashboard, we have not applied any actions, right? Because of that reason, it is showing blank here. Now what I will do, I'll go to add action, go to URL action. So when I say go to URL, the target is a source sheet is a sheet only always, but the target is we have to mention URL here. Okay, and we have few more options here under the target side. New browser tab if you want to open, or you want to open new tab if no web page updates exist. Like that, you see some options here. Now what I will do under URL on the target side, I have to provide some URL here. Like I want to navigate to this particular web page like gvcartech.com. Okay, under data values here we will be seeing some options here, but uh, you can uh, you can easily understand while reading those, so don't want to go through all this. And under run action, under source side, I'm just selecting the select action here. Select action means when you click on the page, when you click on the sheet, right, then we'll be navigating to this particular URL. Okay, just click on OK. Okay, now you see when I click on this page, it will be navigating to a particular URL what you have provided on the target, target side. Okay, now we'll try to achieve this sheet 187. So this is a bit different thing here. So first I'll go to a particular sheet. So just drag the state here, state into the row shelf, and just drag the sales into the text here. Okay. Now go to dashboard file. So drag the state sheet here. Now what will happen is when I click on the Alabama, I should be navigating to a Alabama Wikipedia page where I can see only Alabama information. And when I click on the Arizona, I want to navigate to a Wikipedia page where I can see only Arizona information. Okay. So for this, I'm just telling you a few things here. So for example, when you browse in the about Arizona, right? About Arizona. So Wikipedia, just go to Wikipedia this page. You see the entire URL is same here, except at the last I can see Arizona here. So this will show entire Arizona information. And in the URL itself, if I change it to Alabama, for example, when you click on Alabama, you see the same page is showing the Alabama information. So what is the thing we have to remember here is in this link all the thing till this wiki is static value, that is constant value. Only the last parameter is changing here, the last value is changing here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll simply copy this link here, Control C. I'll go to dashboard, actions. So in this worksheet, I'll remove the existing one for now. Remove the existing one. I'll add action, go to URL action. Source is 69. I'll go to menu action here. I'll go to menu action. Under target URL, I'm just providing this URL here. But what is the requirement here? We have different states are there, right, in the sheet. When I click on the Alabama, the last parameter should be Alabama. And when I click on the Arizona, the last parameter should change to the Arizona, right? So because of that reason, what I'll do is I'll remove this last parameter here and I'll go to insert option here. I'll simply select state here. So what will happen is in the source side, in the 69 sheet, if I click on the Arizona, uh, the same will be reflected here. So here we can insert parameters, we can insert fields also. Here you see, we can insert parameters also, we can insert direct fields also, which are coming from the database also, or calculation fields also, we can insert here. Okay, so in this way, we are making this a target URL dynamic actually. Dynamic means if I select Alabama, the state will be Alabama here, and it will be navigating to that Alabama web page. And when you click on the Arizona, the same value will be reflected here under state here, and we will be navigating to the Alabama. And one more thing here we have to do here is we have hyperlink here, right? So what I will do here is after hyperlink one, what I will write here is go to state, and I have to write state name here. So state name I should not write manually here. So what I'll do, I'll go to insert here. I'll select state here. So the name of the action also we can make it dynamic here. Okay. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. Now you see when you click on the Alabama. So in the name of the URL, we have written go to state. After that, we have inserted state field, right? So because of that reason, it is showing what are the state we have selected here under the action name. When you click on the Arizona, it will show go to state Arizona here. When you click on this button, it will be navigating to that particular web page here. But in real time, they will let you know what is the URL you want to navigate and what is the field you have to insert in the URL. Okay, so that is about this go to URL actions. Okay, so till now it is bit easy only. Till now, these things are very easy things. You can learn these things. These are easy things till now. But here we have few more a few more options are there. Those are nothing but change set values action and change parameter values action. So these two are a bit difficult to understand. But if you go through